Hello friends, Sketches here, and today I want to draw a black cat, like a Halloween cat that's so mad that it arches its back and goes. Have you ever seen a cat that does that? It's kind of scary, and sometimes kind of funny too. I've got a cat, and sometimes my son likes to tease it until it goes. I have a soda pop. That sounds like heaven. And I have some peanut butter filled pretzels because I just happen to have them in my pantry. I have a blue pencil, whoop, whoop, and a black pencil, oh yeah. And today, we're gonna draw a black cat. It's really, really angry. Takes a little while to eat a peanut butter filled pretzel because they're so dry and sticky. But they're salty and crunchy too, which makes them delicious. Start with a giant arch, an upside down U, okay? Like this. I'm gonna draw, at the bottom of this arch, I'm gonna draw a ground plane. So I know where the feet go. And about halfway up, I'm gonna draw just a light line, because right here where this line is, I'm gonna draw a circle or a oval that kind of overlaps. Can you see that? Overlaps that line. This is the cat head. Now, right here in the middle of this cat head, just below center, I'm gonna draw an arch that goes like this, and an arch that goes like this. In the middle here, I'm gonna draw a triangle. That's his nose. And then I'm gonna draw eyes that go like this. Because when it's an angry cat, the cheeks of the cat push up into the eyes like this. Like that. So I'm going to draw the whiskers, and of course he's got like angry cat teeth. And I'm gonna draw the tippy tops of his irises. They're just little triangles. And he's an angry cat. Now, his ears will be, let's draw two lines like this, and then a little C shape like that. Ears. And now, right here on the bottom of his chin, draw a little arch. And then I'm going to come up like this. So I have a little pointy cheeks. You see that? There. That one is a little bit messed up. Yeah. Right here on this chin, I'm going to pull a line, an arch that comes down to here. Okay, like that. And right here is going to be his toes. So there's a big toe here, a little toe, and right here is like a little circle. Behind the circle, I'm gonna draw a line that goes straight up. Straight up. And almost when it gets to the side of his head here, I'm gonna go in like this. And as soon as it goes in, I'm gonna start making another arch. That's his tummy, and this is back. Okay, now this line is gonna come down and curve over. See that? Down and curves over. From here, it's gonna go at an angle down like this. And I'm gonna draw a big toe, like this one, a little toe, like this one, and like a little tiny toe, like this one. Behind that toe is going to come up. This is his ankle. This is wrist, ankle. It's going to come up. Follow this line a little bit. Get thicker, thicker, thicker. See how it's narrower here and thicker here? And it's going to come all the way up to the back. See that? All the way up to the back. Now that's just to help us kind of see the shape. Right here, we are going to create an S. Come in, and around. Come in and around. We have a back leg and a front leg. Let's add another front leg here. We're going to draw a line that kind of comes down here. That is the back of his leg. Now from here, see that? See how this kind of comes from this curve down to here, and this from his chin down to here? We'll draw another toe, toe, and toe, okay? Over here, we're gonna take this line and come straight down like this, okay? In here, we're gonna come out and follow the same kind of a shape of his knee and bring it down all the way down to there. Wider here and narrower here. And we're gonna do a little toe, toe, toe. We have 4 legs on this cat, but it seems to be missing something. What is it? Exactly, it needs a tail, and it needs an angry tail. So I'm gonna have it come up right up here like this and spiral like this. And right here, it's gonna come up and spiral like that. See that? Let's lock it all in and add some detail with our black pencil. Oh yeah! As always, if I go too fast, feel free to pause. A U shape for his cheeks, add some whiskers. And his little elbow there. Now his back is I'm gonna do this. Now doesn't that look more like an angry cat? We'll do the same thing with his tail. Now that is one angry cat. And if you really want to give it a little bit of dimension, you can darken up the back legs and arms just by filling them in a little bit. Dimension on his ears too. And that is how you draw an angry Halloween cat. See you later.